Hello guys, ako po pala si Miguel Fuentes at ang aking business po ay a help student. So, dito tayo sa next slide. Ito nga po ang product platform description. Ang AI help student is an AI-powered learning assistant designed to support students with their academics needs. The platform helps learners understand lesson, complete tasks, and study more effectively. At ano nga po ba ang ating solution offers? Makita nyo po dito ang anim. Isa na po dito ang homework assistance. Ito nga po pala ay explain concept and guide students step by step instead of just giving answers. Pangalawa, personalized tutoring, adapt explanation based on student level and learning phase. Pangatlo, research and summarize. Simplifies long reading into easy to understand summarize. Pangatlo, practice and quizzes. Generate exercise for review and exam preparation. Pangapat, writing support. Ito nga po pala ay helps improving grammar, structure, and clarity. Pang-anim, 24/7 availability. Accessible anytime for instant help. Next slide. Who is the primary user or customer here? The primary user of AI help student are student who needs academic assistance, while the primary customers may include students, parents, and educational institutions. Makita nyo po dito sa baba ang apat na katangian ng student: high school student, college, university student, review or board exam takers, online learners, or self-studying students. Next slide. Key problems students face: difficult understanding lesson. Ito po ay many students struggle with complex topics fast-paced lecture or unclear explanations. Pangalawa, limited access to help. So, ito po ay teachers and tutors are not always available when students need assistance, especially at night or during deadlines. Pangatlo, homework and assignment stress. Students often feel overwhelmed by workload, tight deadlines, and multiple subjects. Pang-apat, inefficient studying. Students waste time searching for resources, examples or explanation online. Pang-lima, lack of personalized support. Traditional classrooms cannot always adapt to each student learning speed or style. Pang-anim, exam anxiety or poor preparation. Student may not know what to review or lack enough practice materials. Pang-7, writing and research challenge. Difficult with essay, summarize, grammar, situation, and structure ideas. So this is the key problem student face. The next slide. Why is this problem important or relevant today? For me, the challenge students face today is difficult understanding lessons, limited access to help, academic stress, inefficient studying, lack of personalized support, and exam anxiety, and writing difficulties, highlights, and clear and drawing needs for better learning assistance. As education become more fast-paced, demanding, and digitally driven, and students require accessible, instant, and adaptive support system. Addressing this problem is essential not only for improving academic performance but also for reducing stress and promoting effective learning. This makes solutions like AI help students highly relevant and valuable in today's educational environment. How does technology enable your solution? Makita nyo po dito ang tatlo: artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and third, personalized and adaptive learning. What makes it digital platform based SaaS or AI driven? Why it is digital? The system is digital because all function operates through electronics technology. Pangalawa, why is the platform based? It is platform-based because it acts as a single environment where users access multiple services. Pangatlo, why it is SaaS or Software as a Service. It qualifies as SaaS because the software is delivered via the internet, accessible through a web browser or app. Pangapat, why it is AI-driven. The solution is AI-driven because artificial intelligence powers its core capabilities. Next slide. What current trends support your idea? For me, is rapid adoption of AI tools in education, because a significant portion of educational technology users are already using generative AI for learning support. For example, surveys show that about 35% of EdTech users in India's schools are integrating Gen AI into their learning routines. That means students and teachers are increasingly relying on AI powered by for personalized learning interactive support. Next slide. How will the business earn money? First step, subscription model, most common and stable. Users pay a recurring fee to access premium features. How it works? Free basic version, like limited questions and features, monthly or yearly premium plans. Pangatlo, unlock advanced explanation, unlimited usage example tools. Why it works? Predictable outcomes plus scalable. Example, student pay 99 to 299 per month. Next slide. What's the value does it create for users? AI helps student creators meaningful value by providing instant, personalized, and affordable academic support that is accessible anytime and anywhere by reducing learning difficulties, saving time, and lowering stress. The solution can empower students to study more effectively and confidently. Overall, it enhances the learning experience while making quality educational assistance more inclusive and sustainable. And that's all. Thank you for listening. And once again, I'm Miguel Fuentes, or kilalang Miguel Jose H. Fuentes. Ang aking pong business ay AI Help Student for all the world for students. Thank you.